So, welcome back again in my Blender Simming. I think I'm going to create a what's that? It's a little bit editing, streaming for now, and then I'm going to straight into the goblin characters as my older enemy encounter, and I'm going to re-establish the AI. So the AI was gonna mess it up in the old one. I'm going to fix the AI right now. It's like creating the elk AI. Okay, let's see the progress photo water. They might the music. It's supposed to be I'm going to survey more about the modding the game itself, but I mean today, because I have scheduled for streaming, so I'll just make a stream first. Then I'm going to survey for porting the games, and then the streaming was editing the main file, which is able to be ported into the other programs. Perhaps beside Blender I'm going to port it into Unity as a project for my Android game projects, but in the PC I'm going to stay on the Blender game engines. That just for porting the game itself I'm going to use Unity or anything else. Even though I didn't try Unity at all. It's like a Blender game as in itself. It has scripting and a lot of features, but it's much more easier to access or export the game itself to any kind of platform. Not the console, of course. That's different things. I have to open this one. It's a very big file. It's basically the entire the landscape itself, also including the trees. So to save the memory, for the tree statics or the collision was in here, also for the smaller tree as well, and the stone or the big rocks, the boulders, the lands. Also the building will be added in the same. No, I think this is just for it is too much to open this file itself. It's very much to add this. Hey, what the is this link? Oh, I didn't make it a link. This is local. So the river and water is local. I'm not quite remember why I make it local. Here it is still in the file, we just link here. I even can select this. It's a local. I'm not sure why it's local. But remember. Let's try link again. Let's go water or lake 1, 2, 3. Wait, there is 2 lake 1. I got to reopen this. This lake 1 with space. It's probably fulfill the internal, or this itself. I just almost full my hard drive for the data to store, and then this is temporary storing that for Blender. It's gonna fill the new file serve as a backup data. And this file is very huge, it's about 100 megabytes, more or less. Lake 1. Current scene, Lake 1. Yes, that's the Lake 1, Lake 1. It's supposed to be Lake 2, there is no number 2. Supposed to be number 2. Done. Save. You open this direct. The groups was gone. We need to delete all of this. Surely, okay. Still, going to delete. Now we need to save again. Again. Oh, I make the group much easier. Okay, the group was easier. Has to be in the group objects. To make a new one. Just simply make it a group. It's supposed to be 2 group in here, but make it 2. Because I need just one, just for important purpose. So that group. And there's another one here. Okay, just one. I thought it was 2. What is oh, that's the hidden thing. Doesn't matter. Let's go to here. This is the river. It's named for the river, I guess. Oh, I just group, not the layers. Let's go to static. Link. Oops. Groups. And let's see, the group was going right now. Can't see it, it's very far. We set into 0 because it's a group. The top view, you can see now the lake. That's pretty much easy. That's it. Save. It's going to take time to save. It's a very huge file. That's the object for the main scene, so I'm not sure this main scene to us. Indeed. Let's replace this. cutscene again. See the river. I got the lake. Can I swim? Hopefully. Nope. I think this physics is an issues. An actor. Forgot. Actor. All I added is a collision mass in the previous file. I forgot. This one. This is the mass. Be like this. Or maybe like this. This one or this one, I forgot. I guess this is the same one. Yes, it is. Let's get to it. Well, still has a seam. Oh, the last time I did see it. Has to be an actor. Let's see, physical static and actor. 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 It's probably the height. Has the same height, but cannot see any scene. That's pretty weird. Oh my. It's a little bit change on the groups. Supposed to be not happening. So I have to edit manually in here. Edit value. Damn, what the hell's going on? Doesn't matter in this file. Still the same, what the heck? Let's but then I'm going to improve the transference just slightly open. I think almost the same, but a little bit better. They can't see in a little bit far away. And actually close. Perhaps there is a texture. Yeah, I think it's the texture. Cannot swim yet? What the heck? Well, I guess it's the issues of linking the objects. And it's supposed to be close triangle mess. I'm going to create a cube over it. That's the only way I can do a cube. Yes, it is has to type thing as a cube triangle mess. That's right. I'm going to try this file. It's supposed to be swimming all over. And that's beautiful, and it cannot see from the inside. Triangle mesh works. Let's see, cube. Box, we're in the center. Object transform. Jump. Origin to geometry. Yep, it's kept swimming. It's supposed to be in this direction. Let's put some texture right now. A little bit downward here. objects, transform to agency geometry again, and then I'm going to add a material for the append, turn on material, unit texture 2, just missing the number 1, and then also link and append again. I'm not sure how it has it. Material water. Does it have a texture? Yes, it does. It doesn't need to. Okay, that's awful looks while inside. Sorry. No backface going, that's mean it's supposed to be, maybe the UV texture didn't separate properly. Still dark. Maybe it has a shadows, maybe. Doesn't need transparency, I guess. Oh yes, it does. Yes. Transparency a little bit. 7.5. No backspace. Well, that's is the problem. I think it still receives the shadows from below the water, so same. There's something to do with transparency, maybe. No. Big space texture. Let's see. The global. UV kind of look bigger, way too big. The texture, let's see, it's way too big. Its size itself. It's supposed to be still in the global. Let's try again on UV. It's supposed to be as a UV there. Very huge map. My PC gets so many legs. That's normal, and I think the size was 1. And this is the texture, still very big. 2. Still too big. 4. Let's see, change. Oh, sorry. Okay. Maybe I have to look in another animated texture. This will be too fast flow. Still on the bottom, I mean from the inside it's not working for face. Oh boy. I'll go back to the text editor. Something to do with the face itself. Normal, you can do it outside. I can do it flip. This one works. Not work for me inside. Maybe because this is cube. I guess that's the problem. The shadows. I keep receiving the shadows. That's the problem. Shadeless works means I think it's from the here. Nope, like it's going. Still has transparency. It's very clean water, almost like a swimming pool. It's not immersive in the wilderness. This water is really like the tropical white sand. Color of the water is very bright green light. And it is the shadows is the problem. It's probably the ambient diffuse, which is already decrease. Let's see, go back here. normal flip again, shadowless here, and then length is going. So this one is not works. So from inside I can see the river still flowing. I need to save this. Maybe the ambient, maybe. No. Let's go back to intensity to 1. No. Fisk killing was there. Still receive the shadows. Speaker. It has to be shadowless, nothing else I can do. I see max, no, doesn't work. So maybe in here there is a normal because of normal activate. So shadowless doesn't work for normal I guess. Case, let's see. It is that's probably the normal. And the normal is supposed to be depend on the shadows. Yep, that's the problem. Promise normal. Maybe I'm not going to use normal. But still, I cannot see the difference. I think I'm going to make texture 1. This is pretty edit. Normal doesn't work same. Let's see. Then let's mix. This is material on the texture. The imitation, that's interesting. Did the normal still works? Yep, it is still works. But it's very dark. So I have to change the color of the dark one, not in the blender. So imitation, that's weird. Ambient. I guess it's receive ambient. But the other side is fairly bright. Than the inside. Even it's shadowless. I kept the shadowless. More bands. So when I was inside, I can see the ripple. Wait, cannot use the sailors because I need protection from the sun. It's supposed to be imitation. That should do it. That's it. Perfect. Just playing the imitation here. Intensity to 0. Let's increase a bit. Bluish. But still a little bit changing in there. Okay, done and done. I'll go back into all. There's so many plenty of file in here. Okay, that's a problem to solve. It is still occupied territory. Maybe this is a LD, not actual landscape. It's very it's not highly tuned polygons. Maybe not. It's the second LD, I guess. It's very big chunk of this polys. It's too wide. Let's see. What's the landscape? What's the name of the landscape? LOD2, yes it is. Hope there is no sim around here. I didn't check it, but maybe next time I'm going to edit this one. Animate the texture. Very dark, but that's shady. Just game settings. Go back to the schooling. What the shit. Oh boy. I need to move this landscape somewhere else. I can't select this one. Wait. There it goes, and doesn't need for river. It's very shallow river. Set water on. It's supposed to be very quick today, but turns out it's only occasion. Box, okay. Actor. And then I'm going to duplicate this E. supposed to be very deep. Well, I guess that's perfect. Let's see the spawn, my favorite game spawn in here. Going to zooming to focus in the few angles. And let's see how it looks on the normals and transparency. Become a bit darker now. Oh yes. What the heck? I hate that happening. Supposed to be transparency 0.75. That should do it. Yes, it's still darker, but maybe I'm going to increase the oops, that's too bright. There it goes. Imagine again. Okay, too bright. Let it dark more. Okay, a little bit higher transparency. 0.8. I cannot see the texture in water. It's very sometimes like a perfection, like a finishing touch. Okay, that's too much 0.85. Color is too green. That's why it's too big. Going to test it out in the main scene. I don't need test water, I already done it. Let's go for it. And let's see. This will help here. Respawn passenger 2. Go here. Save. Start. Then turn on. Not bad. I think the transparency was good. So it's not very clean water, but still I can see through it. I can see the bottom of the river and the lake. It's supposed to be nothing. There's some kind of mist, maybe. I think the mist supposed to be works in there. I'm not sure. Oh, whatever. It's supposed to be kind of see in the distance on the transparency itself. I don't know how to do it in Building Dimensions. And there is a reflection animation. It's very big. Let's go at this angle, and then I can swim, and that works for now. I can swim, and I can miss any water. I can be swim deep inside, even if I just get through it. Because previously just only plain and thin collision. If I just surpass that, it will no longer affect. Probably too much greenish on this water. I'm going to add it more darker and more muddy colors. Mud it's like dirt, and dirt is supposed to be reddish, just like this one. It's reddish because it's brown. Brown has a red color right in. Yeah, it's kind of good game. Kind of a bit addiction on my own game, even though it's not quite finished with just play mechanics, just for surviving mechanics. And then if I just turn it into the action RPG, it will be great game. It's supposed to be voice acting for the story plot is quite needed. It's very essential on any kind of game. Oh yeah, it's kind of missing. Well, I have to let me try go. So it is true. The second already is actually almost the same quality mesh as the first landscape. And I can see, well, it's kind of brighter inside. That's weird. Maybe because of the color of the sky. And this one's. Oh, that's not. It's not a problem. It's supposed to be this swimming. It's a free roam movement. You can dive inside to collect some maybe treasure or something. I think I have enough for these colors, just a little bit traditional. Very easy in the games, in the texture editing. Okay, that's done for water right now. Just single lake, which is done. I'll edit this lake later on, maybe offline. And now I'm going to open the old file for the goblin. Library, goblin. So I'm going to fix this AI, very tricky one. So I'm going to make the exact same AI as the elk with the extra script in it to track the player. Let's see, I think the goblin still works. Goblin master. I could be dead. And I did activate. Do I? Where's the goblin? It's different goblin. There's no issues in here. No goblin, what the heck? The apple's there, and the goblin is supposed to be the same layers in here. Goblin monster camp spawn. So what's happening? Something to do with the physics. Sometimes the physics just throw away the object after just a spawn. The size of it was so. Players and distance what non-electricity system is very far away. And where's the goblin? Let's see, always. What's wrong with the goblin? Maybe not the master. Maybe it was called the elk, maybe? I'm not sure. The elk doesn't do anything. Just not collide with anything like this goblin. Receive state, there is something wrong with the script. Maybe does it instantly dead? It's not quite possibly. Let's change this one. Interesting. Just change the layer in here. Some goblin heads. Spawning error. Oh yes. Activate. Still not still not spawning. It's so difficult to spawn this. Help! So the issues was physics. Maybe some scaling issues, I don't know, I still can't find it. Nope. The scale is 1 as well. It's like disappearing from the view. Let's go into this. Still doesn't matter. Anyway, next time again. It's been a while. It's goblin just editing. Okay, the key has to be the same. Has to be more and more. Oops. More properties just added, and these booleans type properties. For example, this I'm going to make the same as alerted and aware, just like the elk, and then walk, idle, sprint. Alert, aware, where is the warning distance, whatever it is, in this modest range between the players, but a few yards or 100 meters maybe that's to 50 meters. For aware, just stopping and walking, and then it became alert, and maybe not the sprint. I think alert always sprint. I mean chasing the target. Alert is chasing the target. There's no reason to create idle sprint. Idle usually walk. Either standing or idle walk. Maybe some added special in here. Actually, this is just for next step of the game itself, toward heavy design of story plot. Special and depth. I think depth. That's it. And then it has to be the same now. Game copy. This way. Game. This is the already done. style. Gaining that. Next time for the special. Where are the walks turn that? These two are neutral. This one is prepare for combat, and alert was in the combat, and then the death state. Save to make it works. For the physics, to act as well. To keep the player, or I mean the character, moving to the sloping ground. Sloping, any kind of sloping floor, ground, or platform. And then there's some sort of stuck. It's supposed to be the turning, just like my elk, or turning AI to activate. So because the collision with ground and building or something else was the same as the static properties. And I have to create the new collision as well for turning, to activating the turning AI, whether turning left or right. I think that most of the AI is standing still for now, and there's another entity patrolling. And the other must be not far away from the spawning point. Okay, see you for the next stream. I'm going to finish this video next stream. Couple of days, maybe. I already planned it. I want better if I'm going to stream this. It's already done and almost complete, and I can show the progress on that. So yeah, I'm going to stop streaming. See you for the next time.